Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will show you how to convert your text to an animated video using an AI. So without wasting our time, let's get into it. Alright, open your browser and head over to steve.ai. Click on sign up. Once you enter the necessary information, click on sign up. Check your email and activate your account. Now enter your login credentials. Once you are here, click on text to animation. Here you can change some settings if you like. Clear this script and paste your own script. Add the type of your video. Choose the style of your video. Now you can make changes to your liking. You can change the text, the character, and pretty much everything you see. You can also add an AI voiceover, or you can even add your own. You can also choose the music you like. Once you are happy with the video, you can click on publish and upgrade your membership to download the video on your computer system. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.